Hello, Billy the Artist here. Just a little update video with links to my How to Draw the BTS guys. Now again, this will be the first one of 2 parts because I can only have 5 links in the cards, so I'm going to do 4 and then 3, but all the links will be in the description underneath. But before we go any further, please do like and subscribe, tick the bell to be notified when new How to Draw lessons will become available, because I am now doing some more. Again, thank you for your patience. I do have to do art as my job. That's what pays the bills. Thank you very much for everyone for all your understanding. And I'm now going to do a number of videos that people have asked for. Mainly of Marvel, that's been asked for years, and I'll be doing some singers and a few more Harry Potters and maybe a few others, but I'm going to do a bulk load so that I can upload one a week over, well, as long as this year, and then I can get back to doing some paintings that I've got on the go. But a lot more on that later. But do please use the hashtag #DrawingWithBilly, because people have used that but also tagged me on Instagram mainly, but you can get in touch with me. In the banner right now and in the description is all of my social media, and people do that, and then I put slideshows together. 3 are up already. I've got the 4th will be going up later this week, and then I'm collecting images for number 5. But it's just a joy to see people enjoying these drawing lessons, and there's quite a few of the guys of BTS in those slideshows. It's fantastic to see people enjoying drawing, and I am demystifying drawing, making it really easy. These portrait lessons are for beginners. Now, portraits are hard. There are over 130 lessons already in my How to Draw general playlist, and I use basic techniques that show you how to draw cartoon characters and all those kind of things. Again, do check them out. They are out there. But I use those basic techniques and a grid, and I show you how you can do a complex portrait. And I have done all of these guys. So all 7 of the BTS fellas have been done, as people asked. And in this one, I will put the links for V, Jungkook, Suga and Jimin. They are in the cards up there. But first now, if you click the link that's appearing, that's the full How to Draw Portraits playlist, and that's got others like Billie Eilish, Ariana Grande, Taylor Swift, and then there's the Harry Potters. They're all in there. Harry Potter's got their own playlist as well, but they're all in there for you guys to check out and learn and use and utilize. But each portrait is fully narrated in real time. Now, that's what these are, and the ones that are up are already there. They're all narrated in full real time. Now again, a lot's going to happen over this year with some interesting changes as we move forwards with the new work. But again, you can check them out. So right now you can see the link for V, How to Draw V. And again, it's just fantastic showing you how to draw these portraits. And I use, and again, you can see here some of my materials. And throughout me talking now, you'll see the cards up in the corner, ping across, and that'll be how to draw Jungkook, and how to draw Suga, and how to draw Jimin. And I'll do another video with the 3 fellas lurking in the background, Jin, J-Hope, and RM. Now, the basic materials that I use are just standard pencils on A4 cartridge paper. And then again, there's a link in each one of these videos and in the description to how to lay out the grid specifically for these lessons that help you. And then I use shapes to build it all up. And there is How to Draw Anything Part 1. Again, that's in the description in this one because I've only got 5 cards that I can put links to. And it just shows you the basic techniques of making shapes to do your drawing and fill the page properly. And then when I use the grid, and people go, oh, using the grid is cheating. No, it's not. Utter codswallop. It's a technique. Now, there are amazing portrait artists out there who can do a drawing completely from life. I've shown examples of the work that I've done from life drawing classes in the past. Now, again, That's a technique that people can use. But there are world-class, high-end portrait artists right now who use a grid. These people have won National Portrait Awards, awards in America, other awards internationally in other nations, and they use grids to lay out their portraits. They're very, very detailed oil paintings, and they do the underdrawing using a grid. So are they cheating? No, they're using a technique. Artists in the past used grids as well. So do not listen to the people who are saying, oh, it's cheating. Ever since lenses were invented, people have traced, have copied, have done all kinds of things, but I will show you basic techniques so you can build your skills up. And again, people have had problems even using a grid, and it's just developing your skills. Keep practicing, keep making shapes, keep drawing, just getting a piece of paper and just drawing and developing your skill sets. That's a very, very good thing to do. Now again, even with faces, if you've got a magazine or a newspaper, when your family have finished with it, just draw over the faces of the people in the magazine. It will help your hand and eye coordination to work together. Now again, back to my materials. For these drawings so far, I have used a 2B, 4B and 8B pencil primarily. And I also use a putty eraser and a Mars plastic. These are just the ones that I use. Now you can use any brand of pencil. I like these Faber-Castell. I've also done videos where I've used Staedtler. I've also used other pencils previously as well. For blending, you can use your finger, but that's quite messy. I use a blending stump. This is just rolled up paper, and you can get them from art stores online. You can even make your own. There's videos online about them. You can use cotton buds, and you can also use tissue paper or a piece of kitchen roll. So again, these are all the techniques that I use. I've not used paint for any of the highlights on these either. I leave the paper bare, showing through, and I also then use the erasers to pull it out. Now this is something called a mono eraser. I do also have a battery. He says getting it over, it's just that spins. That's an electric eraser that you can use that will really rub through, but it's not as accurate. It's a bit wide, so it's good for some things. But I have seen you can get an electric eraser now with a very fine point. Oh, there goes the pencils. So again, these are just techniques and things that you can use and utilize. But I hope that you have enjoyed these drawings. Do share these out. It would be absolutely fantastic for more people to enjoy these, enjoy the new lessons that come. And again, do share with me your work via Instagram and other places. And again, all the info's in the description for my social media, how you can contact me, and I'll look forward to sharing more drawing lessons with you in the future. Anyway, take care. See you in the next video. Ta-da.